The Psychology of Money. The Psychology of Money is a book written by Morgan Housel, exploring the behavioral and psychological aspects of financial decision-making. The book delves into the human side of money management and provides insights into the attitudes and behaviors that influence our financial choices. Here's a concise summary. 1. Understanding money mindset. Housel emphasizes that our individual experiences and perceptions shape our approach to money. People have different attitudes towards risk, reward, and financial goals based on their unique backgrounds. 2. The importance of behavior. The book argues that success in investing is often more about behavior than about the technical aspects of finance. Emotional control, patience, and discipline play significant roles in achieving financial goals. 3. Time horizon and compounding. Housel highlights the power of compounding and how time in the market is often more crucial than timing the market. Long-term thinking and consistency are key to financial success. 4. Risk and uncertainty. Housel explores the difference between risk and uncertainty, emphasizing that risk can be measured and managed, while uncertainty is inherent in all financial decisions. Accepting and navigating uncertainty is essential. 5. The role of luck. The book discusses the role of luck in financial success, acknowledging that external factors beyond one's control play a significant role. Being aware of luck can foster humility and better decision-making. 6. Adapting to change. Housel emphasizes the importance of adaptability in the face of changing circumstances. Flexibility and the ability to learn from mistakes are crucial for financial resilience. 7. The meaning of wealth. Wealth is subjective and varies from person to person. Housel encourages readers to define what wealth means to them personally, moving beyond traditional measures like monetary value. 8. Savings and spending habits. The book explores the idea that saving and spending habits are deeply rooted in one's psychology. Developing a healthy relationship with money involves understanding and managing these habits effectively. 9. The cost of a good story. Housel discusses how the desire for a compelling narrative can sometimes lead people to make irrational financial decisions. Understanding the impact of storytelling on decision-making is crucial for sound financial choices. 10. Humility and continuous learning. The author advocates for humility in financial matters, acknowledging that nobody has all the answers. Continuous learning and a willingness to adapt are vital for navigating the complexities of personal finance. The Psychology of Money provides a thought-provoking exploration of the psychological aspects of wealth and financial decision-making, offering valuable insights for individuals seeking a more mindful and effective approach to managing their money.